Actually, really nice.
So this is the pineapple energy drink from
Very tasty.
the Swedish MRE. So it has amino acids, vitamin C, electrolytes, magnesium, plenty of carbohydrates, 200 calories per portion of 60 grams, which is not bad to drink. Dextrose, iso, maltose, fructose. I don't want it hot now, but I bet it would taste pretty good hot. Okay, very good at dissolving. No lumps at all. Yeah. Well, actually, it's pretty nice. Yeah, not too sweet. So it dissolved really easily, not too sweet. Went down pretty good, huh?
It's delicious.
Just gonna show it like this. Ooh. But yeah, that's tasty.
That is very good.
Here, for example, we have a 24 hours meal. Sweden, they sell it in 3 or 4 menus per package. They are freezed and dried. This package has close to 3 pounds without water, so you could stretch it, I think, for 3 or 4 days. But it's for the Swedish army. They do not look at the costs. They give them good stuff. You see here the ingredients, and our 2 bushcraft girls eat quite a while on this good things. Nearly a pound carbohydrates, 120 gram protein, 160 gram fat, energy drinks, choco drinks, coffee, and so on. We talked about these meals with Susanne and said it's restaurant quality for restaurant price, and with our bushcraft experience we could stretch the stuff with herbs and roots and worms, for example. We liked it. Many thanks, Lasse.
So these are whole grain biscuits. I'm gonna try those out with vanilla cake and some peanut butter and some nut cream. There is peanut butter, and here is the nut cream. Nom nom nom. So that would be a pretty nice little snack. So Ellie, Swedish panzerkexe. Swedish whole meal, whole grain biscuits.
I like the texture very much.
Yeah, they're sweet.
Yeah, and they've got a slight sweetness to it, but not too sweet. Nice, nice nutty flavor.
Yeah, I like them a lot. Nom nom nom. Make you thirsty.
They
Want
do.
a drink. It's good.
Oh,
Sticky.
oh, that is some good peanut butter.
Sticks to the top of your mouth though. A lot.
That is good peanut butter. Okay.
So this is the chicken masala from the Swedish MRE. Is it good?
That's very good.
Yeah? How's the
Yeah.
texture?
It's nice. It's really nice. The rice is fully cooked. It's soft. I haven't tried the chicken yet, but
Yeah, go for the chicken. Let's see.
it's really good.
Yeah,
It's
cool.
actually very good quality chicken. It's not the very low quality chicken that you often get in these sorts of mixes.
Yeah, it's good. I tasted some of it cold before. Pretty nice. We're going to put some hirsch in it in a bit and see what happens.
Cheers. I'm honest, I don't like to drink coffee out of these folding cups. I think the coffee tastes too much after plastic. But for water, awesome. Danke, Lasse. Got it from Lasse, der Waldläufer. Links below. Awesome. Two nice folding cups Fold the cup. Vielen Dank, Lasse. Das taugt mir voll. Danke. Spitze. Das taugt mir auch, aber der Becher. Ja, danke. Ja.